Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. Let's blend amala flour at home today. Here I have the yam peels. I'm going to show you how I got about these dry yam peels. Here I have the yam and we're going to wash this yam. You know, the yam was digged up from the earth, digged up from the farm, so it came with lots of dirt, lots of sand, and you don't know how it was handled from the farm to the market before you bought it. So I'm washing this thoroughly with iron sponge, scraping the back and rinsing it clean. I make sure there is no debris, there is no sand, and there is no dirt left in it. I clean it very well. At Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And now we're going to cut it. So what we are using here is the yam peels, but we're not going to cut it in such a way that is only the peels that is left behind. We are going to give some room for some yam to be in the peels as well. So I'll cut this and I'll put it in this my sieve here, and I'm going to dry it for days. It depends on the humidity of your area. If it's sunny where you are, this can take up to 3 to 5 days, and if it's rainy season, it can take longer time. If you have a dehydrator, you can use it to dry this quickly. This is after 6 days and it's completely dry. What I'm doing here is to break it into little pieces because I'll be using my home blender to blend this. That way it will be easier for the grinder to grind it smoothly. Please note that if your blender is not strong, if it's not high capacity, you'll have to take this to those grinding in the market to do that for you so that you don't spoil your grinder. But if it's high power, high capacity blender, you can use it for this. And we'll grind this till it's very smooth as it can go with my home grinder. Definitely it's not going to be that very smooth like if I had done it in the market with the engine guys, but this is the best we got and this is how it looks like. It's almost powdery, and I'll have to sieve this. With my sieve, I'll have to sift it to remove the debris, the ones that didn't grind so well. What we're looking out for is powder, complete amala powder. From time to time, I'll use my spoon to make room for it so that much can come out, and we'll sift and sift this. Amala is a very healthy meal. It's enjoyed by the Yoruba people of Nigeria and is turned into swallow, and we'll eat it with different soups like Gbegiri, Ewedu, Efo Riro, Egusi, vegetable, and any soup you want to enjoy with it. This is high in fiber, is highly nutritious, very good for your stomach, rich in dietary fiber. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers for checking out my videos. Thank you so much and God bless you. And please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos to get amazing content like this. And this is me turning it for my family to have a nice meal with. I'm going to upload this video soon on how to make lump-free amala. And here is our amala powder. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.